Babhuva nirmala sapi tapasa kshena kalmasha. So we all have to remember this principle of spiritual life. The whole world is nothing but expression of tapasya. See, so tapotapyata tapastaptva idagam sarvam asrujata yadidam kincha satya satyacha. See, the Lord did tapasya. Now what is the tapasya? Tapasya is our ability to go through the difficulties of life without complaint. That is tapasya. See? Now what is the tapasya for Bhagwan? Bhagwan is non-dual, ekameva dvitiya. So his tapasya is he became samsari. Tapasya. Now we are samsari. Then what should be then? I want to do tapasya. So normally what people think, they will go to some ashram or go to Himalayas and do tapasya there. And then they suffer. See? Tapasya is not that. If you are married and all that, and if you want to do tapasya so that you can achieve something higher in your life, so for you, you like everything homemade, isn't it? Achar homemade, then food homemade, everything homemade. Why not tapasya homemade? See? So in spite of the husband, if the wife continues to be happy, in spite of the children, if the father is not disturbed, that is tapasya. See? Now what is the purity that is attained through tapasya? See? Be very attentive in understanding this. The purity that happens is our wrong notions are corrected without creating new notions. What are our wrong notions? I don't think I can do it. Why you cannot do it? You can do it. Give it a try. But getting up early morning is so difficult for me. If you have to catch early morning flight, don't you go there? Okay, that is true. That means you can wake up in the morning early, is it not? Yes. Then what is the problem? Problem is catching the flight in the morning is important. But waking up early in the morning is not important. So we have not understood the importance and value of beginning our day early in the morning. And therefore we complain. Now if you take this one single simple principle of as tapasya, then what will happen? If you have to get up early in the morning, you will have to retire early the previous night. And when you go to sleep, maybe about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then unwanted exposure to the various media reports, corona, movies, crime, all these things will disappear. And as a result, when you go to sleep, your mind will be pure. See? Imagine you are seeing some horror movies and then you go to sleep. Do you think that in that state of mind you will get the divine experience? Friends, we are all aware that good food should be given. But we are not aware that the food for the mind is thoughts. What kind of thoughts are given to the mind as food? What is the theme? Is it the chanting of the Lord's name? Is it studying the scriptures? Is it singing the bhajans, kirtans? What is the food that we give to the mind? So as we are concerned about our physical well-being by giving good food, we have to be aware of this. The good food for the mind is the good thoughts. That we don't understand. So if we accept this principle of life, as is the mind, so is the person. If the mind is at peace, you are at peace. And when you are at peace, all kshina kalmashaha, all the kalmasha, all the negativities, kalmash is nothing but negativity, always thinking negative. I don't think I can do it. Why you cannot? You can. क्लैब्यम आस्मगम पार्थ न एतत् त्वयि उपपद्यते. Don't yield to impotency. You are a strong person. You can do it. And for that, what is required is we have to recognize the value of spiritual life. Like today, we have recognized the value of keeping social distance, then wearing the mask. See? And therefore, everybody is putting it on. Unless we recognize the value thereof, we will continue to suffer in life. Therefore, Babuva Nirmala Sapi. So when tapasya is done, we discover that we can achieve anything in life. Vidyaranya Swami Maharaj, he was a minister in the kingdom of that Vijayanagaram. And when he was mature enough, could you imagine, 70 plus, that time he became Shankaracharya. And that time he has composed Panchadashi and all other books. See, it is never late for the spiritual life. See, we have to recognize the value thereof. That is tapasya. So we start our day regularly, early morning, do little bit of exercise, then chant the Lord's name, do a lot of study of scriptures, do all our physical work. Now your house is an ashram. What is the ashram? You don't go out. Then in the ashram they don't have TV, they don't have the YouTube, and nothing is allowed. Then you start facing yourself. देखो संतो बभूव निर्मला सापी तपसा क्षीण कल्मषा. So first discover this with our strength. We can do it. Second thing, then what can be done? Simple and disciplined life. Today our life is not disciplined. How many times I must have spoken about this. Stop listening to Corona news and stop listening to all news, useless various news channels. They are all rogues. They are more dangerous than Corona. See, Corona will kill that particular person. But these people, they are killing the whole generation. See, all negativity. See, Maharaj. Therefore, follow the strict discipline. And then the third thing, the habit of constantly forwarding the things. There is nothing great in that. Somebody said something and you say, you have nothing to say. Friends. Thus, discipline your life. That is real tapasya. Then next tapasya will be for us, dependence is reduced. Lesser the dependence, more is the happiness. Zero dependence, 100% happiness. That is tapasya.